Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see how to create infinite transition in Jetpack Compose. Let's create composable function first. Okay. Then we are gonna create infinite transition object. Remember, infinite transition color transition animate color initial color red, for example, target yellow, infinite repeatable, animation between 2000 or 2 seconds using linear easing and repeating mode. Mode reverse. Okay, let's use this color as background for box. Fill max width 400 dp, adding and background color.value. Okay, we should be able to see this animation. Okay, now as you can see, we have animation color goes from red to yellow and vice versa. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If I know the answer, I'll tell you. Also, if you like this kind of video, subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this. Bye bye.